This version skips the refolding process. It is the simple version of folding the filter paper. First, fold the filter paper in half. Next, repeat by folding into half. Open this once and fold it first from left and then from right towards the center. While folding, be careful not to fold right to the center, as this will weaken the filter paper. When you open it and look from this end, you will find 3 valley folds. Repeat this and fold the paper into half in the same direction. In other words, you will have 4 more valley folds. With this process of refolding into half, you will have 8 folds. Reverse the paper to see the mountain folds. Make further valley folds between each mountain fold. Do not press folds right to the center. By repeating this further, folds are made. Finally, by bringing the folds together, press the filter paper firmly to create clear pleats. When opened, the folded filter paper is complete. In this procedure, the mountain and valley folds do not completely alternate each other, but there is no problem in its usage.